In this video, I will be showing you how you can add Google font in your React websites. But before that, I just need to remind you, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this kind of coding related videos. So let's start. So you can see my VS Code is opened, and here in app.jsx, I am using a div, and inside that I have some text like webcoder Abhishek. The class name is text, and only I have used the font that is 48 pixel, and the output of it looks something like this, webcoder Abhishek. So how we can add Google font? For that you have to search Google font in Google. Then what you need to do is to click on this first link which comes here, then search the font. Like if you know the font name, then search, otherwise it will show the list of fonts. Here you can select any of this font. I will select this Roboto. I'll click on this get font. Then if you need to add one more font, then what you can do, again click on this, and then here search one more font like Open Sans. Then click on get font. Two fonts I have taken from here. Then I click on this basket. Okay, then click on this get embedded code. Then here there are two ways of embedding. Either you can embed it in HTML, or else you can embed it in CSS file. So we will use that import one. Click on import. Then inside this style tag, you can see this import is written. Just copy that. Then go to your VS Code and paste it in your index file or app.css, whichever is the topmost file. Paste it there. Okay. And to apply that styling, what you need to do is to apply this font. Like I want to apply this Roboto font, so I'll copy this and then go to my text class and apply it. Then you can see the font is changed. Again, if I need to change the font to Open Sans, again I'll copy this, then I'll go to this index.css, then paste it. As we know, the last property gets applied, so Roboto will not be applied and Open Sans will be applied. You can see now Open Sans is applied. Okay, so in this way we can add our Google font. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. If this video is interesting, please like the video, subscribe the channel. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.